here's what you got inside. Camera, battery, mount, thumb screw, and Type-C USB cord for charging. And I got free 32GB SD card when I bought this. Specs on the side. Slide it. And syempre, hindi nawawala ang sticker. Ang mga accessories. Yun yung maganda sa GoPro kasi kahit nagkakaroon ng bagong model, yung battery same pa din. Pero when you're going to use the Hypersmooth, you have to use the blue battery. For Hero 5, 6, 7, you can use the battery for the Hero 8. So sa Hero 8, isa na lang yung location ng SD card, battery, USB port. So here's the GoPro Hero 8 Black, packed with new amazing features but easy to use. What are the key new features on Hero 8 Black? Time Warp 2.0, and Hypersmooth 2.0. Did you notice, guys, that there's no more frame mount on this because it has now built-in mount foldable fingers at the bottom. Slick. This is replaceable. There's a 4 screw that you can remove and replace this built-in mount. This is genius, guys. Camera on the go. No need for the frame. It has 3 microphones. 1, 2, 3 for better audio, especially in windy situations.
Ayun, natapos yung unang hit namin.
First time, actually.
1K. Grabe.
1 kilometer.
Sobrang nakakakaba, guys. Namanhid yung mga kamay namin. Sobrang hindi namin alam yung mararamdaman. Pero maganda na experience.
So this is what's inside the GoPro Hero 8 Black. We have 1080, 2.7K, 4K, up to 240 frames per second. And then for the view, linear. If you want to avoid that fisheye look, you can always use the linear. You got narrow, wide, and super view. What crazy about is on the advertising it says Hyper Boost is available in any settings, but I cannot find the Hyper Boost. It's only 2 options, either off or on. So there's a reason why you cannot find the Hyper Boost. It's because I need to update the camera from the phone. So guys, after updating the camera through my phone, now I finally installed the Hypersmooth. Meron siyang on, high, and then boost. So dapat i-update natin siya sa app. So that's it. Enough of this boring thing. Let's get into action.